Hey folks, it's Alan here again from LearnKoreanFast.com. And in this video, we're going to give you a couple of the most popular sports in Korea, right? Sports usually have, it's basically two nouns together, right? Especially ball sports. Most ball sports end with gu, right? So we have these are the three most common. Of course, 축구 is soccer, right? And of course, probably sometimes you can hear people say soccer, right? So soccer, right? But 축구, right? 축구 is soccer. Then we have 농구 is basketball, right? And I have heard basket and basketball before too, right? But 농구 is the traditional way for saying that, and 야구, which is baseball. If we go in order of importance, sorry, I got this kind of mixed up here, but 축구 is probably the most common one. Then we have 야구, which is baseball, and then 농구, which is basketball. And basketball is growing in popularity in Korea these days, right? So notice that each of them ends with this gu, right? And that implies that there is a ball that's involved in the sport. Okay, cool. So I hope that helps you out and that'll be easy for you to remember. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. That way you get notified whenever new videos are released. And give us a thumbs up, share. If you've got a question or comment, please leave that below. Also, look in the description. There are some links below in the description. One is to learnkoreanfast.com, and there you can get some free resources and some other things for helping you to improve your Korean speaking skills. And there's also a link or two there to my books on Amazon. And buying those books really helps me, so I really appreciate that a lot. So thanks a lot. 다음에 뵙시다.